Ouch, I just hurt my nail. Why did I do that? How y'all doing? I'm looking at this huge box of satsumas. Let me show y'all. Fresh from Florida. We've already ate some out of here. We had like 3 of them last night. Mr. Allen brought these in. Satsumas. Have y'all ever had satsumas? They are so easy to peel and so good. So sweet. Seedless. So, that was my snack. I'm probably going to grab one for the road before I leave today. But yeah, I got a special delivery yesterday or last night, I think. I have some Christmas towels. Perfect timing, that way I can incorporate them into my Christmas decor. My friend Angel sent me these. I seen she showed these on her YouTube channel, Angel's Lifestyle. And I had to have them. They didn't have them in my area. So she sent me some. I have this one, this print. I'll show them separate. And they were only 97 cents. I have this print. This one. It's like a green. The stripe is green. That green stripe. And this is the cutest. This is my first gingerbread item. I've never had anything gingerbread. So this was so cute. I gotta figure out where I'm going to put them. I normally have a towel like in my mixer and my dough bowl. Ooh, I know one place I can put one on my little, which I already got one there, but I'm gonna put a new towel on my little steps that I keep on my fireplace. So here they are, so cute, so festive, for 97 cents. So yeah, I'm gonna incorporate them into the Christmas decor this year. So thank you so much, Angel. Thank you, girl. Because I hadn't went around to so many stores to try to find them. That's the thing about when you're shopping for things. They have certain things in certain areas. Because I could not find these towels anywhere in my area. I don't know. If you're local, you let me know if you've seen them. Because I have been looking and looking. And she was like, girl, I can send you some towels. So, I think this one is my favorite. It's so cute. I've seen a lot of people doing gingerbread theme this year. This is so cute. So yeah, I'm about to get my day started. I have to work this morning. I have a quick job though, not long. And then I gotta just kind of prepare myself for my work week. That's what I'll be doing today. What else? Yeah, that's what I'll be doing today. Preparing myself for my work week. I won't. I was gonna say I may cook, but I think I'll wait and cook tomorrow. We'll see. But if I cook, I'll be cooking some chili beans for dinner. If I cook, I might go and cook because I can throw that in the crock pot. So yeah, I may go ahead and do that. At least it'll be off we'll have something to eat for the week. But yeah, I was just popping in to show y'all my beautiful new Christmas towels. And to start off this video before I head out this house. So it rained all day yesterday here. Thankfully it's not raining today because I have to work as well as take care of a little business. So at least it's not going to be raining. So I'll pick y'all back up a little later, wherever that may be. So yeah, I'll see y'all later. up, y'all? I am heading back home, honey. My job didn't go as expected. It went well, but I ended up having to do a double job. Ooh, let me get over. Dang it. They won't let me over. Okay, that's fine. But I ended up having to do a double job. I had to go to Florida. I was not expecting that. So, thank you. These nice people let me get over. I tell you, Southern hospitality is not gone. Anyway, I ended up having to come to Florida to do a job, and look at this electric car. It's just so crazy looking at that electric car. Anyway, had to come to Florida to do a job, and woo, was I tired, because I wasn't expecting. I went from expecting to drive 30 minutes to have to drive an hour. Well, 2 hours really, because an hour here and an hour back. So I took a pit stop, got me something to eat for lunch, and I'm about to head back home. I'm actually about to run into Marshall's really quick, because I wanted to go into the Marshall's by me the other day, and it was hard to get in there, but it looks like it's gonna be hard to get into this one too. So let me go see if I can find somewhere to park, and I'll talk to y'all in a few.
Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Joy to the earth, the Savior reigns. Let men their songs employ, while fields and floods, rocks, hills, and plains repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Repeat the sounding joy. Sing joy, sing joy. His love and wonders of His love.
Hey, good people. Ooh, I'm burning my eye. I actually just got home from work and I'm about to cook some chili beans. Really quick. I got my frozen peppers and onions here that are frozen. So I need to beat them to get some loose. I'm trying to see if I got, no, I don't got no fresh one. Oh, I can't use it. But I'm about to make some chili beans in my Dutch oven here. I have my ground chuck here that I'm about to throw in here. I'm gonna get this fried up before I add in all my other stuff. I meant to pick y'all up before I left work today, but time just got away from me. I got some chili powder. I'm gonna do some complete season. A little garlic. Let me get some minced garlic. I have to keep remembering I have this huge minced garlic. My dad is rich and your mama's good looking. Everything together. That's gonna be my lineup for tonight. I'm basically just using what I got. I got a half a thing of beef broth, half a thing of chicken broth that I had in the fridge. So I'm gonna use what I have, honey. How y'all doing today? I really just wanted to pop in just to talk to y'all for a brief second. This is not a recipe video. It's just me in the kitchen pulling y'all up while I was in here. Today has been a good day. It's been like a long day, but it's been a good day. Finally got some of my onion and my trio chopped up. Ooh, I'm sorry, I'm about to knock y'all over. Forgive me. I literally came in the house, took my shoes off, cleaned my hands, and got right to it. It be like that sometimes. It be like that sometimes. Put a little garlic in here. I'm gonna have a good day. Now I made a mess. Let me clean this up. I'll be back. I'm back, y'all. Let me tell you about my blessing. I turned my oven on and I said, man, we need some cornbread. Look what I just pulled out the freezer. Cornbread. Ain't God good? One last thing I gotta do. Cook cornbread. I'm gonna have a good day, no matter what they say. Sun is shining down on me. I'm gonna have a good day. Am I the only one just randomly start singing songs? I can't be by myself. Can't be. What y'all having for dinner tonight? What y'all having? And honestly, I may not even have this for dinner. I may just prepare this, let it cool, and put it up and have it tomorrow. That's what I may do. But I just knew I needed to go ahead and get this done. Cook my meat. I unthawed it yesterday. So, I'm using kidney beans and black beans for my beans. You know what? It's amazing how so many people cook everything different. Like, I got an auntie. She makes chili, but she don't use beans. She just make like the meat chili. And it be so good. It's so good. But I'm using black beans, kidney beans, some diced tomatoes with green chilies, beef broth, chicken broth. Like I said, I'm using what I have, so it's gonna be delicious regardless. We're gonna make it do what it do. Well, let me get this meat drained and my beans rinsed off and all that fancy, and I'll pick y'all back up. Alright, y'all, just as simple as that. Put in my broth, my beans, my seasoning. I'm just gonna, my diced tomatoes. I'm just gonna bring this to a boil, and that's it for dinner, honey. Oh, I gotta add my secret ingredient. You know, my secret ingredient is that I realized that made my chili taste so good last time after I added in my my chili powder, my complete seasoning. What did I do? I did Creole. You know, basically season it to taste, okay? After I did all that, to amp it up, guess what I added? I couldn't believe it. But then when I did a little research, I'm like, that makes sense. I added barbecue sauce. So good. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But yeah, I'm gonna let this come to a boil. But oh, I knew it was something I just looked over and I seen some gifts that I received in the mail that I wanted to share with y'all. So let me put my top on my pot and I'll pick y'all back up in a few, okay? Okay, y'all. I received some beautiful Christmas gifts and Christmas gift cards. I said, let me share these with y'all. I really appreciate it. So cute. Even the envelope is cute. This is one of them. This is from Mr. William Parcell. I believe that's what they say. Mr. and Mrs. William Parcell. And the card says, "'Tis the season." And it has a scripture that says, "In my distress, I cried unto the Lord, and he heard me." Psalms 120:1. Happy Christmas. May God bless you all, and lead you all. Mr. and Mrs. William Parcell. Margaret and Parcell, I believe that's what it say. It's so cute. Look at this pretty card. I am definitely going to display these in my home. I always do for the holiday season. If you all send me Christmas cards. They're so cute. So, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Okay, and then I have another one. The envelope is all festive. It got those, what you call it? Like stars and sparkles on there. Cute. Okay, this says, "Warmest wishes. May your Christmas sparkle with moments of love, laughter, and goodwill. And may the year ahead be full of contentment and joy. Amen. Have a Merry Christmas." And they wrote a special note. Oh, thank you. This is from Ladybug. Clasile. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name right. I'm so sorry, but thank you. This card is beautiful. This is what it looks like. It says "Warmest wishes." And then the inside has these beautiful snowy Christmas trees. Thank you. Okay, I have another one. It came in this pretty red envelope. And it says, "With gratitude and merry wishes. For light and laughter shared all year, for all you give and do. I'm lifting up a Christmas prayer of heartfelt thanks to you. From Philly area, the Smith family. Trina Smith. Happy New Year 2025. All things Dorcas and Mr. Allen." This is what the card looks like. So cute. Thank y'all so much for sending us those beautiful, beautiful gifts. Thank y'all. So I can't remember which one of you asked, did I get your card? I'll have to triple check, but those are the ones that I have received thus far. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Because you took your time out to think of us, think of me, send those beautiful cards. I appreciate it. I do. So I think I'm gonna put them, I normally put some in my kitchen on my crate, and then I put some on my entry table or my table in the family room. So they will be displayed. They sure will. And I always keep my cards and tuck them away. All the ones that I received, I still have them. So thank you so much. I think I get that from my mom. My mom used to collect cards. I think, well, yeah, she used to collect cards for my dad specifically. He used to buy her cards all the time, and she would collect them. And I actually have that collection of her cards right now. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I just wanted to share those beautiful gifts with y'all, okay? Hey y'all, the lighting is not good back here. I think I need to change that bulb out. I didn't know that. I didn't know that until just now. Anyway, just popping back into work. I went on a supply run. We were out of, seemed like everything. So I had to pick up some more candy, some more snacks, some more sodas. I know what I'm missing. I just thought about it. Baby, the people need a little champagne or something for the holiday. So I think I'll stop and get some of those on my way home today. I'm having to break down the old boxes so we can take these out. I'm gonna show y'all what I picked up. We went to, well, my coworker went to Sam's yesterday, and then I went to Costco today. So let me show you what I got. I normally get this big bag of candy. We got Snickers, Twix, M&M's, Three Musketeers. I always keep candy on deck. Then we got this big box of chips. It came with 50 in here. These are the kind we got this time. Baby, the people be loving the snacks around here. And we got, always keep Sprite, Coke, water. I'm gonna pick up some wine for after work. And then of course you always keep the coffee, the tea, that type of thing. I had to go get some conditioner, and I needed to get a hair mask. So I got this Xoxo moisture conditioner. I love this. This brand is really moisturizing. And then for the mask that I'm using, I picked up this Xoxo Define mask. So that's all I picked up from the store. Let's go. My TV turned off. It normally turns off after so long of being, what's the word, playing for so long, it normally turns off. So get this back turned on. I think I have 3 more customers today. 3 more. And then I'll be out of here. I'll be out of here for today. Have I showed y'all my Christmas tree? I don't think I have. It's so pretty. It's so beautiful. I love it. I love it. Honey. Y'all see my Cajun Santa? He Creole. He is Creole. But yeah, let me put on me some butter because my hands are so ashy. I wash my hands so much all day, so it is imperative that I moisturize. My hands are always in water. And then when I'm out and about, I don't know if y'all still do it, sanitize when I get in and out of the car. So I have to keep myself moisturized. Ooh. Okay. Oh, my customer just pulled up. Dang, I was just about to refill my conditioner. I use these, what do you call it? Amber jars for our shampoo and conditioner. Love those. So what I do is refill those with the different shampoos because it just looks better to me. I don't know. It's just me. I just love the look of that. But I'm going to have to let y'all go because my customer is here. I'm about to turn on the show that I've been watching, which is Later Daters on Netflix. If you hadn't seen it, let me know if you have because it's pretty good. But I'm about to turn that show on and finish the rest of my day. Okay? So I'll talk to y'all later.